What up, car community? This is AG Racing here, and I wanted to show you a pretty dope exhaust that I got on the low from A6 Speed. So the actual two pieces I got from A6 Speed were a MXP front pipe that features no resonator, and a Remark Axle-Back exhaust that features no muffler at all. The stock headers are still on, and I still have the stock overpipe. But besides those two, the resonator from the front pipe and the muffler from the exhaust part in the back is actually completely gone. I've actually had a couple issues pitting on the exhaust. I don't know what it is with the hangers, but look at this. Is one of the issues I was having with the exhaust. The exhaust starts to push towards the driver's side of the car, and it literally melted the diffuser. It's not too bad on this side. The exhaust itself is a 4-inch tip, single wall. I didn't go for the double wall. So the only issue I really have with the car is that it's actually gutted in the back, and that might not be an issue for everyone, but for me, it's pretty loud. It's a pretty loud car, not having the mufflers and resonator and having it gutted. So it gets pretty annoying. But besides that, I'm going to get into the exhaust of how it sounds. So I want to show you how loud it is when I actually start up the car from the inside. I actually have one of my doors open. So the exhaust echoes with all the metal in the back of my car. So it's pretty loud when I drive it, and it's crazy. Let me rev it a little bit. It does have a couple of the burbles and stuff like that in the background. It's pretty cool. I don't have a tune for that or anything, but it just does it naturally. Hopefully you can hear me over the exhaust while I'm driving, but yeah, I think the MXP Frontpipe and the Remark Axle-Back is pretty good enough. Especially with the car being gutted, it kind of just echoes. And I used to listen to my music around like the 15 mark. Those of you who have an FRS or BRZ, whatever, the 15 mark used to be pretty loud, and now I'm listening at like 20 plus. I can't even hear my stereo anymore. What's dope though is that it sounds like I'm going fast, but I really only went like 65, and I'm flooring the car too. It's just so damn slow. Performance wise though, I pretty much did it because I do track the car, so I wanted to make it a little bit lighter in the rear end, by not having the muffler and having that more of aggressive exhaust note. Also, the front pipe does give you a little more performance gains too. I'll do another video detailing what I do on the track what I have set up on my car that I take to the track in order for me to be successful on track days. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also go check out my other videos that I made previously. I'll be making more videos again in the future about this car, but until then, peace out.